በዛሬው ቪዲዮ ክፍል 46 ላይ የቀረቡ የተወሰኑ የአፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎችን የማሳያችሁ ይሆናል። እንደሚታወቀው ቢክ አካዳሚ የሚለው ቻናል ላይ አፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎች ከናሰራራቸው በየሳምንቱ እየቀረበበት ይገኛል። ተማሪዎችና ስራ ፈላጊዎች ከሆናችሁ ይህን ቻናል ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ በየሳምንቱ የሚቀርቡ ጥያቄዎችን በመመልከት መማርና መለማመድ ትችላላችሁ። ምክንያቱም እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች በስራ ውድድር ፈተናና በማትሪክ ፈተና እንደዚሁም በተለያዩ አጋጣሚዎች ላይ በሚመጡ ፈተናዎች የምታገኟቸው ጥያቄዎች በመሆናቸው ብታውቋቸው ተጠቃሚ ትሆናላችሁ። ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እንሄዳለን። Question number 152. It says that 2/5 of 1/4 of 3/7 of a number is 50. What is half of that number? A 94, B 96, C 188, D 350. So first convert the word problem into equation or into numerical forms. Then it says that 2/5 of 1/4 of 3/7 of a number is equal to 50. You can rewrite the words as such. Then let's say, or let's represent here a number by x. Again, you can have 2/5 of 1/4 of 3/7 of x is equal to 50. Then replace the word of by multiplication. Then 2/5 times by 1/4 times by 3/7 times by x is equal to 50. Then again 2 times by 3 times by x is 6x, and 5 times by 4 times by 7 is equal to 140. Then you have 6x over 140, which is equal to 50. Then crisscross it, you get 6x is equal to 2100, and divide both sides by 6. You get x is equal to 350. So your answer for this question is choice D. Question number 153. If A times by B is equal to AB over A plus B, then find the value of 3 times by, in a parenthesis, 3 times by minus 1, close the parenthesis. A minus 1, B minus 1.5, C minus 3, D 3. Now you are given here a general formula, and the formula says that A times by B is equal to AB over A plus B. Then what is required is to get the value of this equation. 3 times by, in a parenthesis, 3 times by minus 1. So first you have to find the value of the elements in a parenthesis using the general formula. That means you have to find out the value of 3 times by minus 1 using the formula. Then again, after you get a value for 3 times by minus 1, which exists in a parenthesis, then you get another equation, 3 times by the value of this one, 3 times by the unknown. Then again, you have to find out for a second time the value for 3 times by the unknown number here. So first find out the value for 3 times by minus 1 using the formula. So now assume A means 3 and B means minus 1. So you have the formula A times by B, which is equal to AB over A plus B. Then A means 3 and B means minus 1. So you have on the numerator 3 times by minus 1. and on the denominator a means 3 and b means minus 1. So you have 3 plus minus 1 or 3 minus 1. Then the numerator becomes minus 3 and the denominator is 2. So you have minus 3 over 2, which is the value of 3 times by minus 1. Then you get another equation, and the second equation that you get is 3 times by minus 3 over 2. Now again assume a is 3 and b means minus 3 over 2. Then use the formula to get the value of 3 times by minus 3 over 2. So a times by b is equal to ab over a plus b. Then it becomes 3 times by minus 3 over 2 the whole over 3 plus minus 3 over 2. Then again it means 3 times by minus 3 over 2 the whole over 3 minus 3 over 2. Since here you have 3 plus minus 3 over 2 means simply 3 minus 3 over 2. Then you can again have 3 times by minus 3 over 2. Okay, here I just repeated and you can ignore this one. Then 3 times by minus 3 over 2 means minus 9 over 2, and again 3 minus 3 over 2 means 6 minus 3 over 2. You can multiply, crisscross and multiply, you get 6 minus 3 over 2. Then again simplify the value on the denominator, and you have minus 9 over 2 the whole over 3 over 2. Then 2 is cancelled out and you get minus 9 over 3, and minus 9 over 3 means simply minus 3. So your answer for this question is choice C. Question number 154. What fraction of an hour is a second? A 1 over 24, B 1 over 60, C 1 over 120, D 1 over 3600. That means you have to express a second in a fraction form with respect to an hour. So to get the value for this equation, let's have certain steps here. 1 hour means 60 minutes. And again, 1 minute means 60 seconds. So how many seconds are there in 1 hour? In 1 hour, there are 3,600 seconds. Then you have to express a second in a fraction form with respect to an hour. Since there are 3,600 seconds, 1 second can be expressed as a fraction form of an hour in such a way as 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. Then when you express 1 hour in a fraction form with respect to that of 1 hour, 1 second over 1 hour, 1 hour, and 1 hour means 3,600 seconds. So you can have 1 over 3,600. So you can express a second in a fraction form with respect to an hour in such a way, 1 over 3,600. So your answer for this question is choice D. Again, if you are not a member of this channel, subscribe this channel and you can get aptitude test questions on a weekly basis. Again, share this channel to students and graduates who are searching for a job.